Dear students, Vanakkam. For past few days we are learning about standard costing. Under this title, in this class, you are going to learn part 3, that is the another sum with the new formula. Already material variances. In this title, you learned material usage variance, material cost variance, material mix variance, and out of that you are going to learn another two formula, that is material mix variance and material sub usage variance. So in this type only you are going to learn about the material variance, but additionally you have to learn the another two formula. Okay, so this is what you are going to learn in this portion. Okay, shall we move to the problem and the solution? Anyway, I hope that you would have learned well the part 1, the basic theory concept along with the formula, and the first sum also combinedly, that is material variance and labor variance, you have learnt. So if you would have done the homework, that means working of additional sums, definitely you would have well known of this model. Anyway, so with this part I would like to move to the problem now. You please kindly watch and listen thoroughly about the sum. Okay, see the sum, that is, from the following information of a manufacturing company, calculate material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance, material mix variance, and material sub usage variance. Okay, so the information given below, by using those data we have to calculate the 5 model of the material variance. Okay, the material ABC given, then standard quantity in units. In units it is given, that is 40 for A, 32, 24, so vice versa. Then standard price in rupees. Okay, 5 rupees, 4 rupees, 3 rupees like. Then actual quantity in units, the value is 48 unit, 28 unit, 20 units, and likewise the actual price is for ABC, that is 4 rupees, 4.50, 3.25, likewise it is given. Okay, so I think need not to go for much explanation because it is very simple and detailed data available in this sum. But the next one, see that the total quantity of standard and actual given, that is 96, for that is both are equal, 96, 96. So that means this is the value. Okay, by using this we have to work the problem. Do you have any doubt in the problem? If you have, you may do clarification. Otherwise, let's move to the sum now. Okay, shall I proceed to the solution? Yes, the first one is material cost variance. The formula is standard price into standard quantity minus actual price into actual quantity. This is the formula. So material cost variance, the product A, B, C I have taken. First let me take the A, material A. Okay, our product A. The formula, as per the formula, SP stands for standard price, SQ standard quantity, AP actual price, into AQ actual quantity. So the 5 rupees standard price, standard quantity 40, then minus 4 is the actual price into actual quantity 48. Now 5 rupee into 40, 200. 4 rupee into 48, 192. Okay, then when I subtract, the value I get is rupees 8. It is favor. Already I explained. Okay, the plus value is higher, so the value is favor. So for product A, the value 8 rupees favor. Then for B, 4 into 32, 4 rupees standard price, 32 is standard quantity, 4.50 is actual price, 28 is actual quantity. Okay, then 4 into 32 is 128, then 4.50 into 28 is 126. So here also the positive value is higher value. So the answer is favor, rupees 2. It's a favor. So product B, the value is 2 favor. Then C, 3 rupees standard price into 24 standard quantity minus 3.25 is a actual price into 20 is a actual quantity. Now 3 into 24 72, 3.25 into 20 65. Here also the higher value is positive value, so rupees 7 is a favor for product C. Totally material cost variance. Now you see all value are positive, that is favor value. So we have to add this 17 as a favor. Okay, this is what material cost variance. Okay, then let me go to the next one. Material price variance. The formula is actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. Likewise, see the abbreviation, that is MPV, material price variance, AQ actual quantity into SP standard price minus AP actual price. Again I take all these three products A, B, C. First for product A, 48 is the actual quantity into standard price 5 rupees, actual price 4 rupees. That means 48 into 5 minus 4, the bigger value is 5, so the positive value 1. 48 into 1 is 48, it is a favor value. Then take the B product B. 28 is the actual quantity, then 4 rupee is the standard price minus 4.5 is actual price. Now 28 into 4 minus 4.5, that is the minus value is bigger value, so we get minus 0.5. That means when we multiple 28 into 0.5, we get 14. So that is adverse value. So that's what given as A. So product B gets adverse value. Then C, this is 20 into 20 is the actual quantity into 3 is a standard price minus 3.25 is the actual price. This is for product C of material price variance. See that the value 20 into 3 minus 3.25. Here also the minus value is higher value. So we get minus figure. When we do the multiplying 20 into 0.25, we get 5 as a adverse value. So product C also gets adverse. In this formula, product B and C get adverse value, product A alone gets favor value. So now we have to add this three figures, material price variance. Rupees 29 is a favor. How? See that favor value 48 only for product A, then B and C both are adverse value, so add 14 5, that is 19. So 48 minus 19 is 29. We get as a material price variance value. Okay, do you clear in this second formula? Okay, then let me go to the material usage variance. The formula for material usage variance is standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. So that's what given as an abbreviation, MUV, material usage variance. Then SP, standard price, into SQ, standard quantity, minus AQ, actual quantity. Okay, now taking all three products A, B, C. First, for A, the material usage variance. 5 is a standard price, 40 is a standard quantity, minus 48 actual quantity. Now, 5 into 40 minus 48 is minus 8 because the minus value is higher value. So, taking 8, so that means definitely it is going to be the adverse value. So, 5 into minus 8 is equal to rupees 40 is adverse. Then product B, 4 into 4 is a standard price. Then 32 minus 28, 32 standard quantity minus 28 actual quantity. Okay, now you see that 32 is a higher value, that is bigger value, it is a positive value. That means 32 minus 28 is 4. So 4 into 4 is rupees 16, it is a favor value. Then take the C, 3 rupees is the standard price. 24 is standard quantity minus 20 is the actual quantity. So here also the higher value is a positive value. That means 24 minus 20 is 4. So 3 into 4 rupees 12 favor value. In this third formula, A is a adverse value, B and C are the favor value. So that means add the favor, that is 16 plus 12, 28, that means 40 minus 28 is 12. So that means material usage variance is rupees 12. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, do you get? Then let me go to the next formula. Next is material mix variance. The formula is standard price into revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. See that standard price we know already, it is there in the sum undertaking. Actual quantity is also we know because it is available in the sum. But the new thing is revised standard quantity. There is no term in the sum, in the problem. So that means the revised standard quantity we have to calculate. That is working note we have to make. Then only we may consider. Okay, so accordingly, just below the table, just you follow working note, revised standard quantity, RSQ in short form I given. For that the formula is total weight of actual mix. The actual mix means A, B, C, any number of product they may give. So the total value is called as actual mix. That is total weight of actual mix. And then divided by total weight of standard mix. The standard quantity, whatever or any number they give, A, B, C, D, like any number of value, weight they give. So that total is called as total weight of standard mix. So only we have to take the total actual quantity and total standard quantity. Okay, that's what given us. Into standard quantity of each material. So we have to divide the actual weight divided by standard weight and multiple with the standard quantity of each material. Product A, product B, product C, like, so whatever it is given. So for A we have to take, for B like we have to take. Okay, so this is the formula content. Now I'll take for A 96 divided by 96. The first 96 is, if suppose there is different total, we may see the different, but here in the sum you saw very clearly that total actual weight 96 only for A, B, C. So 96. And likewise the total weight of standard mix, the standard quantity total value 96. So that was that's what I have taken, 96 divided by 96 into, as per formula, standard quantity of each material. Material A value is 40 units. So that's what I have taken. So that means when we divided and multiple, we will get 40 is the value. Likewise, product B, here also the total weight of actual mix and standard mix same. There is no changes. So that means 96 by 96. The quantity of each material for material B material is 32 units. So answer we get 32. For C, 96 divided by 96 into 24. That 24 is the standard quantity of product C. Okay, so the value is 24. Okay, so there is no more value. Now you see that this value, the standard quantity, revised standard quantity for which we have to take the value. What and where we are going to take. Now go to the table. Product A, B, C. There are three. In which you see that standard price 5 I have taken for A into revised standard quantity. Below formula noted this working note 40. That 40. Okay, this is not the exact value of the standard quantity. Okay, this is the revised standard value. Suppose the total mix of actual and standard different value, this revised standard quantity value also will be different. But as it is both are same, the value as it is like a standard quantity we get. Okay, so that is 40 minus 48 is actual quantity. Then see that 40 minus 48, the minus value is higher value. So that means minus. So 5 into 8, 40 is a adverse value. Then 4 into 4 is the standard price of B. 32 is revised standard quantity what we calculated. Minus 28 is actually the 28 is the actual quantity. Now 32 minus 28 is 4. So that means it is also favor value. So 4 into 4, 16 rupees. Then C, 3 into 24 minus 20. The 24 is not the standard quantity value. It is a revised standard quantity value. Minus 20 is actual quantity. Now 24 minus 20, 4. So that means 3 into 4 is 12. It is also favor value. Okay, because here in the within bracket 24 minus 20, 24 is a bigger value, that is positive value. So that is we get 12 as a favor value. Now the material mix variance, see that A, that is product A is 40 rupees adverse, then product B and C both are favor. So that means add the favor value 16 plus 12, 28. So 40 minus 28 is 12. So 40 is adverse value. The final total value is also adverse because it is a higher value. So this is the way to prepare the material mix variance. Just you please take a minute to go through. Are you clear? Do you get any doubt in this particular part, material mix variance? Okay, then let me proceed to next one. The another formula is material sub-usage variance. The formula is standard price into standard quantity minus revised standard quantity. Okay. The short form in the table MSUV, material sub-usage variance. SP, standard price. SQ, standard quantity minus RSQ, revised standard quantity. Okay, now see the A, B, C, all three products. I have taken the standard price value 5 for A into standard quantity is 40. Revised standard quantity is also 40 because we calculated this in the material, in the material mix variance, we have calculated the revised standard quantity. So there we identified that revised standard quantity value of A is also 40. So that means 40 minus 40 is 0. So 5 into 0, 0. Then product B, 4 is the standard price into standard quantity is 32. Okay. But the revised standard quantity value as per the calculation of the previous one is 32. So 32 minus 32, 0. That means 4 into 0, 0. Then product C, take standard price that is rupees 3 into standard quantity is 24. Then revised standard quantity as per the previous calculation 24. That means 24 minus 24 is 0. So that is 3 into 0 is 0. So that means for material sub-usage variance, product A, product B and C, all three products get 0 value. Okay. When we get, do you know when do we get the difference of this? Only the total weight of actual mix and the total weight of standard mix is different from each other. There only we can get the value. So that means when both are same, this is how we may get the values. So that means 0 value. So finally the material sub usage variance is rupees 0. Okay, with this problem and solution is over. If you want, let me go for revision or recollect. But I think all those formula and given information are simple to understand. So you people are always people of mature, and being as a PG student, definitely you can learn thoroughly. Okay, shall I finish this? Okay, dear students, I feel very happy that you are much happier than me to learn this part of problem and solution. Let's meet in some other model of the sum in the standard costing. Okay, thank you.